Sheet cakes are ideal when serving a significant number of individuals. Please note that sheet cakes are undoubtedly convenient. Most people create their sheet cakes in different pans, typically constructed from stainless steel or aluminum. You can feed about 48 to 96 people if you make a sheet cake pan of 18 by 24 inches. Keep in mind that it is ideal for grand company celebrations and charities. It would be best to remember that commercial sheet pans in professional kitchens usually have about 1-inch raised lip around the edge. A half sheet cake is around 11 by 15 inches and a quarter sheet cake is approximately 9 by 12 inches. On the other hand, home bakers typically mix several quarter sheets if making a big cake. The main reason is that the usual whole sheet cakes will not fit in a standard home oven. Sheet cake servings. Most of the time, a quarter sheet cake has about 12 servings, whereas a half sheet cake has approximately 24 servings. And a full sheet cake can have around 48 servings. Nevertheless, the number of servings of each sheet cake relies on the serving size. 3 inches by 3 inches sheet cake servings. You can have around 48 servings for a full sheet cake. At the same time, 24 servings for a half sheet cake. And you will get about 12 servings for a quarter sheet cake. 2 inches by 3 inches sheet cake servings. For a full sheet cake, you can have approximately 64 servings. In addition to that, you will get about 36 servings of a half sheet cake. And 18 servings for a quarter sheet cake. 2 inches by 2 inches sheet cake servings. In most cases, you will get about 117 servings for a full sheet cake. You can have around 54 servings for a half sheet cake. And 24 servings for a quarter sheet cake. 1 inch by 2 inches sheet cake servings. For the most part, a full sheet cake has up to 192 servings. In contrast, you can have approximately 108 servings for a half sheet cake. And you can have around 54 servings for a quarter sheet cake. Sheet cake versus regular cake. The main difference between them is the cake pan size in most cases. For that reason, you typically make your sheet cake in a sheet cake pan, which is a big and shallow pan. In contrast, you make your regular cakes in a 9 by 13 baking dish. At the same time, you make a double-layer regular cake in 2 8 or 9-inch round pans. Whenever making a sheet cake, you will notice that it is not distinct from baking any cake. Instead of using standard round cake pans and baking numerous layers, you can use a sheet pan for baking a single layer. Also, the ingredients you use to make the batter are similar to any cake recipe. Yet, it does require using larger quantities. In addition to that, special handling is necessary when turning the layer out of the baking pan. The main reason is that the cake is much bigger. Tips and tricks. For the most part, sheet cakes are one-layer frosted cakes that you commonly make for events. It has also been a well-known option for family reunions, birthday parties, workplace celebrations, and anniversaries. Moreover, you usually prepare this kind of cake in 3 different sizes. Though, it relies on the required number of servings for the event. On the contrary, the typical sheet cake size for smaller gatherings is a quarter sheet. Bear in mind that it is usually around 8 by 12 inches, which is about 20.32 by 30.48 centimeters. The half sheet cake can typically provide 30 to 50 servings. For that reason, it is the appropriate amount for most office gatherings. Remember that it is about 12 by 16 inches, which is 30.48 by 40.64 centimeters. A full sheet cake is the third and best option for a big celebration. In this regard, it is 16 by 24 inches, which is 40.64 by 60.96 centimeters. And because of that, it can serve about 60 to 100 individuals. Additionally, it is essential to remember several variations in cake sizes. In most cases, a full sheet cake can be about 18 by 26 inches and 45.72 by 66.04 centimeters. In addition to that, a half sheet cake is around 13 by 18 inches and 33.02 by 45.72 centimeters. At the same time, a quarter sheet cake can be about 9 by 13 inches and 22.86 by 33.02 centimeters. Nevertheless, this simple cake is rectangular, not to mention it will give sufficient servings for approximately 12 to 20 people. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.